Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Betty Crocker Delights Supreme Lemon Bars mix. So here we have assembled everything that we need. You're going to need an 8 or 9 inch pan. You can use a disposable one or a regular one if you want. Confectioner's sugar, aka powdered sugar. Now this is an optional thing, but I'm definitely going to use it today. You're going to need a mixing bowl, 3 eggs, your Betty Crocker mix, a whisk or a spoon, whatever you'd like to use, and then we're gonna need 1/3 cup of water. First thing you're gonna do before we start anything is get your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna deviate from their plan just a little bit here. We're gonna multitask. So I'm gonna set aside everything else. They want us to make the mix first, but that's not what we're gonna do. Because we need to bake our crust, we're gonna get going on that first. So here is our mix right here. We're gonna set that aside. And then here is our crust. We're gonna go ahead and press that into our pan. This is not greased. You don't want anything else in the pan. We're just gonna open this up and put it in there. All right, now that we've got that pressed down firmly, we're gonna pop this into our oven for 10 minutes. All right, while our crust is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make our filling. So go ahead and put your mix in there, your 1/3 cup of water, and then your 3 eggs. It's okay if some lumps remain, just as long as it is mostly mixed together. Now we're gonna just set this aside and wait for our crust to be done in the oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, our crust has come out of the oven and now we're just gonna take our mixture, our filling mix, stir it one more time just to make sure that it's well stirred through. And then we're just gonna pour this over the hot crust. Just gonna shake this a little bit to make sure everything is settled in evenly. And we're gonna put this back into the oven for 27 to 32 minutes, just until the top gets brown. So make sure to watch it once you're creeping up on that time. All right, everyone, it has been 31 minutes in my oven and this is what it looks like. So you could definitely stop here, just let your lemon bars cool completely before cutting it, and then you're good to go. But the other option is that you can use a little bit of confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar, and just sprinkle that over the top, but you want to wait until it's completely cool. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead right now and just sprinkle my confectioner's sugar all over the top of this in a nice little layer, and then you're good to go and you can cut it up and serve these. Now, if you guys want to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and tell you if we'd purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.